This is a book writing about life, a book that called A Good Life. This is our chapter 1. Let's read together. Don't give him a reason, but they show the result. This means a double cross, more than double cross. They crossing the line, more than the line that they should cross. Don't give him the reason that they don't want to see, the reason that he don't want to see, the reason that he don't want to meet, the reason that they want to face, the reason that the reason that he don't want to face, don't want to see, don't want to hear. But they not only show him that reason, but they not only give him that reason, but they show him the result. The second part. Too late. The bird couldn't fly long. The rain had come. Talking about the time is too late for the bird to flying for a long flight because the rain it had come. Think about your life. Risk out take, the egg won't break. If we take out the risk, take it out, your egg won't break. Think about it. The second part. Cut the snake in two. If you take the head, you good. If you take the tail, you bad person. Because if we cut the snake in two, it's meaning that talking about the story. If we listening to the first people, the first guy who talk about the whole storyline, that mean you take the head of the snake. We can know which snake is that, which one is the culprit, which one is the serial killer, which snake is the assassination, which snake is the killer. And that mean if you take the head of the snake, you can know which snake had done the serial killer. But if you take the tail of the snake, you are a bad person because you only take half side of the snake, half side of the storyline. That you doesn't know who behind that culprit. Only just tail of the snake, but not the head of the snake. Couldn't stop the waterfall, but the waterfall have to be stopped. If you can stop the waterfall, you can get a huge advantages from the waterfall. Neither the fish resort, engineer, power source, resource, everything, the water flow that you need. It never has to be, it couldn't stop itself, but it has to be stopped. It means that the waterfall asking you to take your own benefit that belong to you, and that is the waterfall. It asking you to take your own benefit that belong to you. Don't ask the cloud to be rain. Don't tell the sun to be down. Something talk about the consequences about believer behalf who have a faith in the God and stuff. Guardian had fall. The right has come. The first door has break. The enemy has gone. The second door has broke. You may live. This phrase is mean deeper. It's a riddle. It could be a riddle. The guardian has fall mean that your shield, your lean, what you lean on, the shield that you used to protecting yourself for so long, now it had fall down. And the rising up your enemy, your storm, it had coming. And now before your guardian angel or before your shield has break or have fall down, before they fell down, you have to build two doors, the first door and your second door. If your guardian fall down, the enemy or your storm had come, you held the first door to be your second shield. And when your second shield defending all the storm or the enemy of your, if you still couldn't hold back on, you need to use your third shield is the second door. Your guardian angel or your guardian, your lean on, what you lean on is your shield. Neither your shield use the time that you having your shield to protect, to defending yourself, to build a first door and a second door. The door that can hold your enemy out, the door that keeping the storm out. When your guardian has fall down, you held your first door to be your shield. After your first door had broke, your enemy or the storm, it will go to the second door of the second shield of your, and so use your second door to be your shield. And if the enemy or the storm of your may passing your guardian, may passing your first door, it will get weaker and weaker and weaker. To the second door, you may defeating your enemy, you may clear past the storm, clear your path to walk. The wind couldn't hold about the rain, and the rain never asked to be loud. If you seeing a sign or a signal that come free into your face, come into your hand, don't believe it, because it couldn't tell you about when it raining or when it about to rain. It never tell you anything at all. And about the what upcoming, about the outcome, about something about to come, it never asks to be loud. It never going to tell you about anything about it. All the information is a liar. And that is the chapter 1.